Hey guys, this is my final B58 project. Few things before starting. These are my bitmap display configurations. My game includes all these features: double jump, moving objects, health, fail condition, win condition, display different levels, and pickup effects. As you can see, I've set my bitmap display configuration as shown before. Alright, let's start the game. This is the start menu of my game. You have to press E to start the game. Basic controls of this game are W for jumping, D for moving right, A for left, S for down. You can also double jump by pressing W 2 times, and you can press B to restart the game at any point. It's going to go back to the start menu, and you can also use Q to exit the game at any point. And now you have to rerun the game. There are 3 levels in this game, and we move to the next level after the player has collected the key. Each level has a key. If you collect all the 3 keys, basically this means you have completed all 3 levels, and you have won the game. After collecting the 3rd key, it's gonna go back to the start menu. Yep. If the enemy hits player, the player starts reducing its health. As you can see, the player is slowly changing its color because player health is reducing. After a couple of hits, the player is going to die, and it's going to go back to the start menu. There are a couple of other features too, like when the player is in the air, the speed of enemy slows so that player can dodge the enemy. And after each level, the player health is increased by a few points. So as you can see, the player health is reduced, and if it goes to the next level, its color has been restored. So that's it for my game. Hope you guys enjoy playing it.